In this video, I'm going to be showing guys 2 ways on how you can find your liked posts on Instagram. So this is an easy way guys to find your liked posts on Instagram. I'm going to be showing guys 2 methods on how you can find or see your liked posts on Instagram. Now the first thing guys you need to do, you want to open your Instagram account of course, and then you want to click 3 little lines in the top right. Now after that guys, you want to click on settings in the top. Now after guys you click on settings, you have to do this first before you can see your liked posts on Instagram. You want to just click on account, as you can see. After you click on account guys, you want to click on account status and make sure here it says you haven't posted anything that is affecting your account state. If it says the same thing, just go back and click again on 3 little lines in the top right, and you just want to click on your activity. Okay, now after you click on your activity guys, you will find a few different options here. Now like I said guys, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways on how you can find your liked post on Instagram. The first way guys is to click on interactions. Okay, now after you click on interactions guys, you will have to click on likes, as you can see. Now after you click on likes, you will find all your liked videos here, as you can see. Okay guys, this is the second way. You want to click on your 3 little lines in the top right. You want to click on your activity, and you want to click on you want to click on interactions, and you can find here your old comments. You want to click on comments and you will find your old comments, likes you can find. Now you want to click on sort and filter. Okay, and here you can sort by anything. If you want to find the oldest to newest, you can just click on here and then click oldest to newest, and now you click apply and you will find your old liked posts, as you can see. So I hope guys this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.